Hello everyone, Christian here with Pipe Doctor Home Services. Today we're looking at this A.O. Smith water heater. It's only a couple of years old. Customer saying no hot water. All I did was take the panels off so far. I was just talking to the customer. Now we're just gonna lift this up. And we're gonna check and make sure we got power, which we don't seem to. And I did look, and the breaker was on. That's the only other thing I've done. I think it's this 14 and 16. This one right here. It's not tripped or anything. That's hot water right there. As long as it's labeled right. It's not tripped or anything, so I'm gonna get this off and I'll use my little non-contact tester to see if there's voltage in there. But it might be like one of the recent ones where the issue is going to be like in this box or something. We'll see. Okay, so non-contact tester is going red. We've got power here. According to this ground line wire, it looks a little bit weird. So what I'll do is I'm going to shut the power off now with this breaker. Let's see. It was 14, 16, right? This one. Should have no more power. Nope, nothing. Okay. And now I'm gonna get this cover off, and we'll pull the wires out, and I bet you it's probably just a loose wire or something like that. And then since I've got the paneling off and everything like that, I'll at least check the elements, make sure both of them are fine before I say we're all done if it's just like a loose connection in here. Okay, so I checked power here, and I'm only getting 120 volts. This thing's 240. So now I've got the cover off for this, and I'm gonna turn this back on, and we'll see. I'll figure out, I think it's these two wires here, are for the water heater. We'll see if it's sending power to the water heater or not. Which likely it isn't, unless something's going on with the wiring from here to the water heater, which I doubt, but we'll see. Okay, so bypass the timer, breaker on, element's working.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
I can hear it from
19 amps.
Oh, you hear it?
I'm gonna turn this off one more time just to get this wiring in here. I just don't like the idea of touching wires while the thing's on.